And we're back. So, in the last lesson we looked at the WordPress settings. In this lesson we're going to look at the quintessential pages that we need to add for a niche site to get it up off the ground. So what I'll do is I'll click on pages, and typically what we want to do is remove or trash the page that comes with WordPress. We don't need it, and we'll empty the trash later. So the pages we should add is a home page, an about page, you can call whatever you want, about us or about, a contact us page, and if you call it about us, call it contact us just to be consistent. And the other pages will be legal pages to add later, depending on what you're selling and if you're collecting information. And a blog page. So we're just adding the stubs to the pages. So these are all in draft mode because I just pressed enter, I think, and it put them in draft. If you want to just say you've got free, just as a note, just say you've got free drafts already, you can click them, and rather than do it one by one, we go edit, after ticking all free, apply, and we can just change the status to published and update, and that will update them all as one. Next we want to sprinkle these pages into our menu. So I'm not sure where the menu is here, I'm not familiar with this theme, and we'll swap the theme out a bit later, but we can use a WordPress customizer, which is here. We can actually add our menus, if I can find out how. Okay, I might have to just, I haven't done that with this theme before, but let's just create a menu for our new pages. We'll call it main, and we'll add all our pages in there. We can go select all and just select them. Reorder. Now reordering can be a real pain, but ideally I'd like WordPress to find some way to make it simpler. I pretty much put the home page, always put the home page first, and the contact us page I typically put it last, but I make the last page, the last option that you want them to do is contact us. Maybe put that last in because it's something you really want to stand out, the first and the last thing to stand out. And we'll just save that, and I'll add that as primary menu, and I'll just see what it looks like. Go back to visit the site. Here we go, it's right here. Now if you go to home, you'll see it says home here. The reason it says that is because we haven't set home as the home page. Now with niche sites, typically people leave it as the blog. So we've got Hello World, and they typically, not always, but they typically have the home page as an article directory. So it's a list of articles. I'm just going to actually set it to the home page for this example by going to settings, reading. I'm going to click here. I'm going to set home as the front page and blog as the post page. I'm now going to refresh, and now you'll see that this page here, this root page, or the page that's got nothing after the URL, is a page that is the home page, and the blog page is now set as the post page. Now, as of the recent WordPress, and I can't remember which version it was, I think it was the last version that was released, and I'm not sure how to find the version number. No, it's up here somewhere. They actually put the post page and the front page to indicate which one it belonged to, whereas prior you'd have to guess because this would just say home and there would be no front page indication. Now I'm not going to get into the details of what to put on each page, it's up to you. I'd probably put a contact form on the contact us page because you don't want to give your email away on the site because spammers will capture it. Contact form 7 is a pretty good one to use. So that will conclude the lesson on pages.